Take two.
That's okay. Look, that's a whole bunch right there. And my one was a whole bunch. Look, all of them. Then there. And right in there too. Quite a whole bunch in there.
Get in the bed.
We need to clean that. We need to clean it.
Where's the powder at?
Right there. I only use all the powder.
You know better than to use powder all over the floor. What happened the last time?
I was trying to throw it down and I was trying to make a sandcastle with it.
A sandcastle.
Yeah, a sandcastle with powder.
You're in very big trouble.
Big one?
Yeah. Honey, look at the big mess you made on the floor. Look.
Where's that wicked cowboy dog?